Good morning, everyone. This is your math tutor, Cecilsie, and today we are going to do a very simple trigonometry question like this. Is given there 5 tangent 3x equals to negative 3. And that's the question. You are asked to find the value of x. The range of values of x is between negative pi over 3 to positive 2 pi over 3. That's the question. Then, if you notice the angle here, the range of values of x here is not in a degree mode but in a radian mode. So don't forget to change your calculator's mode from degree to radian by pressing shift mode, then choose the radian mode. Right, so shall we start? 5 tangent 3x is equals to negative 3. We need to make tangent 3x as the subject. Very simple. You divide both sides by 5. Tangent 3x equals to negative 3 over 5. Another thing you notice here, the range of values of the angle here inside the tangent is 3x, not x, which means we need to do a variable. I use a substitution. Usually I substitute the angle with theta. Yeah, we call it theta is equals to 3x. Do you always have to use theta? No. You can use any variable you like. You can call it y, you can call it p, you can call it any variable you like. Yeah. Then we have the range of values of x, which means we can find the range of values of 3x. Very simple, just multiply by 3, so it's from negative pi to 2 pi. And which means the range of values of theta will be the same from negative pi to 2 pi. But this time we use decimals because later it's easier for us to compare the angles, right? So negative pi is negative 3.14 until 2 decimal place. Positive 2 pi is positive 6.28. Yeah, that's the range of values. Then we need to find the basic angle or the alpha here, which is, and remember alpha is always between 0 to 90. Yeah, so alpha is equals to tangent inverse of this number 3 over 5, and don't forget to take absolute value of that. Don't use the negative value, use positive value, because alpha must be between 0 to 90 degree, right? Which means alpha is not x yet. It's definitely not x, it's something else that help us to find x. Yeah, that's the basic angle. So alpha is equals to inverse tangent of positive 3 over 5. Then we press our calculator, inverse tangent 3 over 5. How much do you get? 0.540. 0.540 radian. That's the basic angle. After we find the basic angle, we must find out the quadrants of the angles. Very simple. The tangent value is negative. And if the tangent value is negative, you must take angles from quadrant 2 and 4. Don't use quadrant 1 and don't use quadrant 3. Remember, 2 and 4. And the values of the angle in quadrant 2 is pi minus alpha. For 4 is 2 pi minus alpha. Good, then I already prepared the working space here for each quadrant. Don't use quadrant 1 and 3. We should use quadrant 2 and quadrant 4. Okay, so we work from there. We concentrate on quadrant 2 and quadrant 4. We do quadrant 2 first. Alpha is 0.540. And for quadrant 2, theta is equals to pi minus alpha, so pi minus 0.540. Theta, which is equals to 3x, will be, we just press calculator, pi minus 0.540. You get 2.60. Is this good? We must check with the range of values of theta, which is from negative 3.14 to 6.28. Negative 3.14 to 6.28. Is this within the range? Yes, you get 2.6 here, which is in between. Shall we add 2 pi? No, I think not, because 2 pi itself is 6.28. If you minus away that number, you're going to get somewhere some very big number, right? Maybe 8 something, 8 point something, so it's not. How about we minus away by 2 pi? So 2.6 minus 2 times pi. If you minus away 2 pi, you get negative 3.68. Also wrong here. Okay, what does it mean? It simply means you have only one values. You have only one value for in quadrant 2, which is only 2.6. Right. How about the x value? We just divide them by 3. 2.60 divided by 3. You get 0.867 radian. We have only one values for that, for quadrant 2. Now we do quadrant 4. Alpha is 0.540. The value of theta in quadrant 4 is 2 pi minus 0.540. So theta, which is equals to 3x, is equals to, and we just press calculator, 2 times pi minus 0.540. You're going to get 5.74 radian. Then we need to check whether it's within the range. I think yes. 5.74 is less than 6.28, so it's within the range. Shall we add 2 pi? No, it's going to be too big. We minus away 2 pi. You minus 5.74 minus 2 times pi. You're going to get negative 0.54. Then we get the two values here. Shall we minus away by 2 pi again? No. It will be too big because 2 pi is 6.28. It will be much too low. Okay. Good. We are almost there. Then the x value here, very simple. you divide them by 3, 5.74 divided by 3, you get 1.91 radian. How about negative 0.54 divided by 3, you get negative 0.18 radian. Yeah. Okay. What does it mean? We have three values of x here. Yeah, in quadrant 2 is 0.867. In quadrant 2 is 0.867. In quadrant 4 is 1.91 and negative 0.18. We have three answers. You must present all these three answers as x, and you should get a full mark for this. Yes. Yeah, I've been making a lot of videos about this trigonometry. I think by now you're supposed to be good in it already. Yeah. Tomorrow, still on trigonometry, also, and we make it similar to this question. Yeah. See you tomorrow.